Hi, my name is Mike Cunningham. I'm one of the financial services managers here at Pembina Chrysler. My role here at the dealership is very simple. I handle all the legal paperwork and help you with the banking. Nowadays, you don't have to take your bill of sale to the bank and ask them for money. We're going to go do that for you. My job is very much what like a realtor would do in shopping for you and selling your home. Instead, I'm selling your loan to the bank. And we deal with many chartered banks, credit unions, we deal with them all, and we get them fighting for your loan. So we'll get better interest rates, better terms than you could on your own. In a lot of cases, interest rates can be even 4% lower than what you're going to get at standard banks. So it's always the best bet dealing with us, and we'll take good care of you. Our approval rates right now are as high as 95%. We're looking for all the reasons to say yes. I just want to talk to you guys real quick about pre-approvals. That's something we do at the dealership under our Zoom process. Our Zoom process is really how we sell cars. Our Zoom process was designed by customers for customers. Our job here is to make the experience as easy as possible. And one of the things you want to get out of the way as a consumer, first and foremost, is getting a handle on where you're going to be credit-wise. When we know what your credit is, we can then give you better payments, lower interest rates right from the get-go. Pre-approval is filled out in a couple minutes. Unlike a bank that takes days to get back to you, we can let you know within a matter of minutes where you stand in the credit world, and not just what your score is and what your interest rate can be. We also help you through the process. We explain why the bank is buying certain ways, and we make the experience a more educated one for you. It's not just a matter of a phone call a couple days later. You'll feel good about your purchase and your credit before you leave our dealership. Okay, some of the business office advantages we have here at Pembina Chrysler is first and foremost, we can take care of you on your loan. So what I mean by that is there's some different options for loans. We can give you monthly payments, bi-weekly, weekly even. The loans that we have are open-ended loans, so the loan can be paid off at any time. There's no legal obligation to keep it for full term. A lot of the times what we'll do is we'll put you in a loan with your very own bank, but with a better interest rate and better term than they could at the branch level. Now that loan can be repaid at any time if you do online banking, just with a simple click of a button. Secured loans, there's different ways of going about that. There's different insurance products that are available. As a representative of the bank, I can tell you there's different programs such as life insurance, disability insurance, and critical illness available to you at lower rates than the bank can offer as well. Our life insurance product, for example, would pay out in the event of something unfortunate happening within 30 days, not like a standard life insurance policy that has your estate having to be finalized first, which can take a very long time. Mechanical breakdown coverage is something very big for us at a dealership level. On new cars, there's very little profit made nowadays in the selling of a car. A lot of it's made in the service department. We don't want you to pay out later for that out of pocket. So service contracts are supplied by Chrysler, so that coverage can go as far as 7 years. The normal manufacturer warranty on a car nowadays is 3 years bumper to bumper, 5 years on powertrain. We can go as far as 7 years. That's for all makes, all models, and any mileage. Anything that we sell on the lot, whether it's new or pre-owned, we can get you coverage to make you feel good about the purchase going forward and not having to pay out of pocket for unexpected repairs. Gap replacement protection. This is something that a dealership offers in lieu of new car protection. It's a better coverage. What happens is, in the event of your vehicle being written off, gap insurance will cover the difference between the check MPI gives you and your loan. So you can literally walk away free and clear. You wouldn't be owing any extra on a vehicle that's no longer there for you. Protection for your vehicle. There are many different ways to do that. Our winters are very harsh in Manitoba. Salt on the streets, the weather the way it gets, and just simply putting the vehicle through everyday wear and tear can age your vehicle. This process here helps eliminate that and gives you a higher resale value or trade-in value when that time comes. Some of the things that we offer is undercoat protection. Undercoat protection will keep your ride much quieter and protected against all the outside elements. Paint sealant, in simplest terms, is like a permanent wax. It protects the natural clear coat of the vehicle and keeps that shine on the vehicle, so that in 5 years from now, it doesn't look like a used car. It looks like a new car throughout your ownership. Fabric protection and leather protection are two things we do for your interior. The fabric protection keeps it neat, clean, and hygienic, and stain-free. For those of you that are parents like myself, this is very, very nice to have. Your car will not stain, and you can put it to the test. Next product here is the rust module. Rust module is the most effective way to stop rust from happening or corrosion in general. The rust module sits under the hood of the car, connected to your battery with two little electrodes that attach. Now what it does is it sends a low-level negative charge throughout the vehicle, repelling moisture and slowing down the whole process of corrosion. It's the most effective way for rust protection and has a 10-year warranty that's followed by Pembina Chrysler. Dent and paint care. This coverage is becoming more and more popular with our new car customers, especially for people that are in a lease. If you get a door ding, the door ding will be taken out for you at no charge. If you lose your key, that's replaced at no charge. Door dings especially, what happens is we do something called PDR. The PDR tech will actually go in, take the dent out without having to paint the car. You want to keep the manufacturer paint on there as long as you can. Repainting a car is not a good thing in terms of the value. This is the best way to fix it, and that would be covered under the policy for as far as 7 years. Tire and rim protection, for those of you with luck like myself, flat tires come up, whether it be from a nail, glass, anything like that. If you have a road hazard that causes you to get a puncture, we will, as long as you have the coverage, repair the tire or replace it free of charge. If the rim is damaged because of the tire being flat, that's also replaced. This coverage alone can save people a huge amount of money. They will cover up to $5,000 worth of repair. So if you're ever worried about a flat tire, you don't have to be with this coverage. It's a great coverage. Okay guys, I hope you learned a little bit about what we do here in the finance office at Pembina Chrysler. Now you have a friendly face you can talk to and a familiar face when you come in. Once again, my name is Mike Cunningham, and I'm here to help you guys out with all your finance questions and all your finance needs.